Hey. Thanks for tuning in to Cook with April on Tasty Tuesday with our taste tester Justin.
Hey.
And Jacob too. Yeah. So today we're making breakfast tacos. A lot of you guys asked for me to make more meals instead of desserts. I love desserts, don't get me wrong, but this is so easy. We can have this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack,
right. Any meal.
Any meal. Dessert. Just kidding. Anyways, let's get started. So here's what you'll need. You'll need some tortillas. You can either get flour or corn. I chose corn. And salt and pepper to taste right over here. And you're gonna wanna dice up some tomatoes, also some red onions, cilantro. This is lime zest. That's cheese for putting on top. And this is lime wedges from the lime, and then avocado if you want to add avocado. And it's gonna feel like a restaurant. It's like, yes, I'm gonna have avocado and I will not be charged extra for it. And then some eggs, of course. And we also have bacon over here, right here in the back, you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and begin baking the bacon at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. So I'll do that first. And then let's begin with the rest. So let's start with the salsa. It's pretty much the same as the Fun Day fajita bar. That's where I got it from. So it's tomatoes, red onions, however much you like, but we love red onions. Gonna mix that together, add the cilantro. Then you're gonna add that lime zest, so good. And you're gonna squeeze the lime juice. I'm thinking it's just gonna need one more wedge because you don't want it to be too wet. This is so good, you guys. And I made a lot, but it's really great for anything, right? Like we love it with our breakfast tacos, but we love it with everything else, like the chips. There you go. And lastly, you can add salt and pepper to taste. And then we're gonna add a little bit of salt, but also add some salt towards before serving because tomatoes really absorb that salt. There you go. And now you're ready to put this in the fridge and set aside and work on the rest of the ingredients. Now we're ready to beat the eggs. Pan with oil or butter, whichever you prefer. And I added salt and pepper to my scrambled eggs. Eggs are ready, you guys, and I cut it up into little pieces. It just makes it easier when you're putting it in your tortilla. And the bacon is ready. This came out perfect. 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And then I left it in there accidentally because I forgot because I was cooking the eggs. And so that was probably an additional 2 to 3 minutes with the oven off, and it made it so crispy deliciousness. So I like that. So now that the eggs are ready, you're ready to just place it into a bowl and build your tortilla. But before you do so, let's heat up the tortilla. So I used the same pan for the eggs. I didn't add any oil, and I'm just heating up the tortilla to get it nice and hot and soft too. Now you're ready to build your taco. So I like to add the eggs first. And while the eggs are still hot, let's add that cheese. So we wanted like the Mexican blend cheese, but we didn't have any, so we're doing mozzarella. And that's okay, you do whatever cheese you like. So here I am, I'm crumbling the bacon right on top. Oh my goodness, you don't have to crumble it, but it just makes it easier to eat. However you like your bacon. If you want like a whole strip on it, you do you. No one should tell you how to eat your bacon, okay? There you go. So next, let's add that salsa right on top like that. So good. And it's so simple. You guys have been asking me to like do more meals. This is good for breakfast, lunch, dessert, dinner, snack, you know, all of that. We love breakfast for dinner here. Oh, and then, hold on, may I please order some avocado? Extra, please. 50 cents more. But when you make it at home, no one's charging you. So go all out with your avocado. Live that avocado life. This is actually Justin, so I'm trying to make it cute for him. And then more salsa just to make it beautiful. It's like a tower. And this is your breakfast taco that you can also turn into a burrito if you wanted. We also have extra lime, so you can just, you know, just put it on the plate if you want to squeeze a little lime, which I will do for Justin. Taste tester right there. And we're good to go. Let's go get the taste tester. We got taste tester.
All right.
Tell me why this is so beautiful and mine
because
is like.
Because you took the time to perfect it.
Oh, I already added the lime, so yours is gonna be extra limey.
That's okay. All right, here we go.
Lime deliciousness.
I can't get everything in my mouth. I don't think it's so stacked.
I know. I'm sorry. I wouldn't typically do that, but for, you know, for the picture, we got to make it cute. Gotta make it cute.
Okay, first of all, that salsa though.
Oh yes.
Oh my god.
Did you use your hand as a napkin?
Oh, sorry. It was like on the side here.
Oh, we are a classy family, you know?
The eggs, the crispiness of the bacon. I feel like on breakfast tacos, the bacon needs to be crispy.
Yes.
You know?
Absolutely.
Like if you're just eating it alone, it can be a little soft, but crispy on tacos.
You need texture.
You got the texture,
right?
yeah. And then
texture.
Definitely a very prominent lime flavor. I don't know if that was because I added more, but
yeah, you put too much lime in.
Definitely good. The eggs, just the whole thing. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
So if I could suggest one thing, maybe next time a little jalapeno in that salsa.
Oh yes.
Add a little kick to it, maybe.
Well, maybe some pepperoncinis.
Oh yeah, pepperoncinis, really?
Oh, I like pepperoncinis.
In salsa?
Oh, maybe on this side.
Oh yeah. I think jalapenos.
Dang, since I'm giving my input, I can't talk about what I want.
You know what?
My needs?
Next time we should make a salsa with pepperoncinis in it. That would be so delicious. Seriously though, really, really good.
Well, I did it mild because that's the recipe I got from that HelloFresh. But also because I didn't know if kids wanted it, because I first started making this when Dee and Jeremy visited from Arizona. I really enjoyed it. They loved it. We had it like every day. Thank you, jalapeno lover. Go ahead and get you some jalapenos, honey. So anyways, friends, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy these types of videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. In the comments, tell me what you want me to make with my new griddle. I can make so many things now. I can make you some fried rice. I can make some more egg dishes.
We were like talking about like, why haven't we done that earlier? Like,
oh my gosh, I can show you guys how I make my baby meatballs for Jakey in a video.
That's a really good one.
I'm gonna do that. It's like super easy.
Yeah.
Let's do that next time, you guys. Okay, bye.